The displacement of an object relative to a fixed point O at time t is given by s is 3t to the 4 minus 16t cubed plus 18t squared plus 4. Find the maximum and minimum displacements of the object from O for the time interval t equals 0 to 4. Endpoints are always a possibility, so we should try them. Whenever you're in a given range, endpoints are a possibility. So s of 0 is 4 meters. For s of 4, I'm going to use the calculator because there's some big numbers involved here. So I'm going to do 3 times 4 to the power 4. Take away 16 times 4 cubed plus 18 times 4 squared, add 4. And that gives me 36 meters. Now we want to know if there's any local maxima or minima. So if we differentiate the displacement, we get velocity, and that's going to give me 12t cubed. Take away 48t squared plus 36t. And if we want that to be equal to 0, which is how we're going to find our maxima and minima, then let's put that equal to 0. And we can take out 12t. And if we do that, we get t squared minus 4t plus 3. So that's 12t. And then we get t minus 1. And t minus 3 is equal to 0, which gives me t equals 0, 1, and 3. So we need to calculate s of 1, because we already have s of 0. And that's going to be 3 minus 16, add 18, add 4. And that's 9 meters. And we're going to do s of 3 as well. That's the other turning point here. In fact, I've already done that one on the calculator, so that's negative 23 meters there. Okay, so our maximum displacement is actually the 36 here, which is at an end point of our interval, not at a turning point. And that can also always happen when you have a restricted range. The minimum is the negative 23 meters. So this was at t equals 4, and this one was at t equals 3.